Okay, so hi, my name is Pavni, and today I'll be explaining about the Unit 2 practical this thing. But let me just tell you from the scratch from where you have to get. So just go to WhatsApp and then download the file which was shared by Harika. It was always like business analytics, data analytics question bank. So just download it, and then also download the PPT I have shared with you. Okay, so once both of them are downloaded, you will see question bank something like this. Okay. The question bank consists of unit 1, unit 2, and so on. And for record marks, you will get 10, and then for Viva 10, and then for skill test, it is 15. So total marks you will write for the examination is 35 marks. Okay. So for other subjects, you will only have theory part. You will write the exam for 80 marks. But here it is different. For practicals, it is different. And for theory, it is different. Theory only 50 marks, and this one is for 35 marks. Okay. So let me just give you a brief explanation about this. So this practical is very important. Okay. With practical, you can you will get more knowledge than, of course, theory is important, but I prefer with practical, you will learn more. In my college, I used to learn practicals like anything. Okay. So practicals are very important. Even though if you skip the one practical examination, I'm so sorry, then there are chances that you will be in the fail section. Okay. So make sure you're learning practical well. So coming to this the examination perspective in unit 2, you have almost like 10 questions over here, and each questions will ask you like find out the average price, find out the median value, and find out most frequently ordered, that means mode. Okay, what is ordered, which is what are the quantities which is ordered mode. Almost everyone is like ordering 5 5 5 5, so the quantity is almost like 5. So the mode will become 5. So what is the highest and lowest marks from this set of data? And what is geometric mean and how to find the harmonic mean? Okay, from the given set of values. Now, using Excel sheet, you have to find what is standard deviation, how the sales price is deviating from a mean value. That is what you have to find. Now, next is all about like what else and the range of the students and how do you compare it and what is the variance. Okay. So, if you understand theory, the practical will be best, isn't it? Okay. So, before you getting on to this problem, I want you to just get on to the theory part first and then get back to the practical. Okay, so let's not deviate from the topic. So coming to the point, you have to find the average price of the given items using an Excel sheet. As you can see, there are some sort of brands over here. One is like Ashirwad, Indian Gate, Sona Masuri, Kohinoor, Basmati rice, Indian Valley and Manat rice, and Shalimar rice. These are different brands in India, and they got different type of prices. Okay, what is the average price for all these brands? Okay, that is what the question was. So first thing first, you have to open MS Excel. So let me just minimize this. So you just go here and your like in a Windows system, Windows OS, or mine is MacBook OS. So you can just get onto your search box. In that search box, you will see. Okay, I hope you can see me. Let me just share my screen. Yeah, so you have to go to. Am I recording? Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, fine. So you have to go to MS Excel and it's wrong. Okay. So as you can see, you can open the MS Excel sheets, and then you have to get onto the sheet, and then you can just go to File, Save As, and then make it as uh, Unit 2 Practical, Unit 2 Practical. Okay, and just save it as that. Okay, so now just get on to those things. I have already shared you a small PPT on it, right? So the PPT is all about, I've already downloaded it. Yeah, let's open it. Okay. So as you can see, the first question, to find the average price, what you have to do. First, you have to enter these things in the columns. In the A column, you have to enter all this, and the B column, you have to enter all this, and then the C column, the average price will take up. Okay. So in A column, what I have to do? So in the A column, you have to type items and then all these things, right? Let me just do that. Okay. Next. Okay, done. Next, what I have to do next, you have to get onto the price also. In the B column, I have to do the price. It's not mandatory that you have to do only in A column, B column, but yeah, just all of you should be in one track. So that's the reason I'm saying that. Next is all about average price, right? So get onto it, get the average price, copy, and then paste it over here. Okay. Now I have given you a formula. What was the formula? Just get on to the things. The formula is average B2 to B9, right? So that means I'm finding average. When I say A, automatically you will see the formula. Click on it, okay? And then they're saying the format also. Just get onto the cell, from which cell to which cell, okay? You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that, okay? But I don't want to do that. I want to select B2 is 2. And why B2? Because it is in a B column and in the second row. Okay. To the last, all this I want to select. So what is the last one? B column and in the ninth row. So it will become B9. So type B9. Okay. So as you can see, automatically the cells are selected, and then press enter. Okay. What is the average price for all of this? It's 1290. Okay. Once you are done with this, select everything and press Ctrl T on your keyboard and press OK. Automatically, the table will be formed. Okay, you can select whatever colors you want. Okay, so this is what the first one is. So make sure the sheet name is changed. Rename it as Q1, which is nothing but the average price. You're finding average price. So this is how you will do it. And now get on to the next sheet, and you have to work on the second one. So second one was also the same thing you have to follow. This is the table you have to do. This is a formula you have to do. And then the same thing goes with the median value. How do you find? So median formula is equals to median from which number to which number? C2 to C8 cell. Okay. The same thing will be doing for mode. The same thing you will do for geometric mean and harmonic mean. And the same thing you will do for standard deviation. Okay. The process is same. The formula is different for different things. For variance, it's different. For range, it's nothing but maximum minus minimum value. And for variance, variance dot s, and from which cell to which cell. Clear with this point? I hope it is very clear. And also just follow the procedure. Here I have written all the procedure. Now you can just open your records and start writing the questions first. Questions are over here. You can write the question and write the solution. The same thing you have to write in the solution part. I hope it's very clear, and thank you so much for listening. Bye bye.